Are you tired of experiencing uneven audio playback, where sound only comes out of one side of your headphones or speakers? This frustrating issue can be resolved quickly and easily. In this guide, we'll walk you through the simple steps to restore balanced audio for Headphone ASLO. Subscribe to our channel for more Windows tips and tricks. Let's get started. First, click on the Windows icon in the bottom left corner of your screen to open the Start menu. From there, navigate to Settings. Once in Settings, you may need to access additional settings under Ease of Access. Scroll down until you locate the Audio tab on the left-hand side. Click on it. In the audio settings, you might see an option labeled Turn on Mono Audio. This setting combines left and right audio channels into one channel. Make sure this option is turned off. If you still experience audio only playing from one side after disabling mono audio, try this alternative method. Click on the Windows icon again and search for Control Panel. Within Control Panel, navigate to Hardware and Sound, then click on Sound. Locate your speaker or headset in the sound settings, double-click to open its properties, and go to the Levels tab. Here, you'll find a balance option. Ensure both the left and right audio channels are balanced equally, usually set to 100 for both sides. Click OK, then Apply and OK again to save your settings. By following these steps, you can manage your audio output to ensure both sides of your headphones or speakers are producing sound. This should resolve any issues where audio is only playing from one side. If you have any questions or encounter further issues, feel free to leave a comment below the video. I'll respond as soon as possible. Take care,